Hello and welcome back, guys. In our first part, when we discussed about variables, I forgot to mention a very useful function that you can use to check the type of any kind of variable. Okay, so let's start. It's called a type function, and basically there are different types of type function in every language. You can find it pretty much in every language. Yeah. So what type function does, if we say type and let's say press 1, and if you pass 1 inside it, it will give us the type of that value. So 1 is a value of integer, so it gives int, it gives back int. Similarly, we can do type 2.3 and it will give back float. If we do type of some string, let's say name, and if you press enter, it will give string. If you say type of, let's provide some boolean value which is true, let's say, it will give us a bool. So type gives the value, so type just returns the data type of the value that you have provided it. Now type can also work with variables. Let's say name is equals to xyz, and if we pass that variable name into type, it will give us a string class. So that is the basic use of type here. Also I want you guys to research a bit. Okay, we will discuss about it in our conditional videos. Okay, so just research. Let's say we can do name is equals to true. Okay, and if we print name, it gives us true. We can also say name is equals to, in quotation, true, and if we print name, it will give us true again. So I want you to research why do we need a boolean data type if we can pretty much, and if boolean data type can only store two values, which is either true or false, why do we need it? I mean, we can store true or false in terms of string as well. So why do we need a boolean data type? So we'll discuss about it in our conditional videos, but I want you to Google and read about different articles. Try to find an answer to this. Okay. So yeah, so I'll see you in next video, hopefully. Thank you for watching this one, and have a nice day.